Picture this, a world built from scratch, piece by the skilled hands of carpenters. In the realm of rough carpentry, artisans plan, build, and maintain the very structures of buildings. It's a dance of precision and power. Then we have the joisters, the unsung heroes of the floor beneath your feet, crafting sturdy joists to support our steps. Trim carpentry brings the magic of aesthetics, with craftsmen preparing and installing ornamental trim, adding a touch of elegance to the ordinary. Cabinet making is a testament to precision and creativity, shaping functional art from simple wood. Specialized carpentry roles too, like preservation carpenters and scenic carpenters, keep history alive and set the stage for our stories. Carpentry isn't just about physical strength, it requires math skills for accurate measurements and budgeting, technical skills like woodworking and joinery, and effective communication when working with teams or clients. And let's not forget, a deep understanding of building codes and regulations ensures every creation is up to standard. Carpentry, a world where art meets function, and every craftsman is a master of their trade.